Welcome to the American Dream Selling Louisiana. I'm your host, Crystal Bona. Today, I'm excited to take you visit with one of my friends, John, at Attracct, and he really is living the American dream. We're going to tour his new office and hear about the recent acquisition. Also, I'm going to take you to a suburb of Baton Rouge, Zachary, and we'll visit one of the premier neighborhoods there, Copper Mill Golf Community.
Hey, Crystal.
Hey, John.
How are you? It's good to see you.
Oh, it's good to see you as well. I am so excited. Look, your sign. Oh, my goodness, the new office.
Yeah, we're finally in. Moved in about 2 months ago, and super excited to show it to you.
Yes, well, congratulations. Let's take a look around.
Great.
The conference room.
Yeah, so our conference room, obviously client focused. We've got dual monitors over here on this side. You can also meet virtually with any client all over the world. We've got our fisheye camera there to make every client feel like they're in the room with us.
This was a complete renovation.
That's
from
right.
The old office.
Yeah, we went completely new carpet throughout, except for the wet areas. We got tile there, cabinets, countertops, paint. Lighting was really important for us, and we really wanted it to feel like a brand new office.
So excited for you. You had the acquisition of the other company.
Yes.
I'll let you kind of fill us in on that.
Sure. So it's been in the works for a few years. We basically took an existing CPA firm, also called bookkeeping and tax work, and we basically lumped them into our outsourced CFO service line. And so with that, we're able to really focus on helping a client not only with the bookkeeping side, but also with the tax planning side and financial analysis.
Well, thanks so much for taking time out of your busy schedule. I know you are very busy, but I really appreciate you letting us tour the office, and hopefully I'll be seeing you soon.
Thanks so much, Crystal. It's been great having y'all.
Just 15 minutes north of Baton Rouge is Zachary, Louisiana. Zachary is known for its amazing school district. It has been #1 in the state for 17 years. Zachary has several neighborhoods, but the premier neighborhood is Copper Mill Golf Community. And we are in Copper Mill Golf Community today. Copper Mill offers a different lifestyle. You have an all-inclusive HOA social membership. So the residents enjoy use of the golf course, the swimming pool, splash pad, tennis courts, park, and even the walking trails. We are actually lucky enough that if you were thinking of moving here, you're probably wondering, like, what are the homes like? What kind of architecture? We're gonna take a peek inside one of the homes today. So this home is a little over 3,200 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms with a half bath right off of the kitchen, which is great for entertaining. And as you can see with this open floor plan, this home was built for entertaining. The huge keeping area, dining area, you have seating at the island, snack bar. Plantation shutters are another wonderful upgrade in here. And I would love to show you the view outside on the screened-in patio that has its own fireplace. The interior of this home is beautiful, but you may use the exterior more. Just with this wonderful screened-in patio with the fireplace, we also have an outdoor kitchen, and the views that I mentioned earlier are simply amazing. Copper Mill recently reopened after having a renovation of all the greens on the course, and it opened probably about 3 weeks ago. And it is just constantly improving. It has been voted numerous times one of the top 10 public courses in the state of Louisiana. Thank you for joining me for this episode of the American Dream Selling Louisiana. I've been your host, Crystal Bona. Next time you're in Baton Rouge, stop by and visit with John at Attracct, or take in a round of golf at Copper Mill. See you next time.